Open the glove box. Remove the pin and push the damper arm out of the way. Remove the stoppers by turning them counterclockwise. Then lower the glove box. Pinch the bottom tabs to open the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the housing door, making sure the tabs lock back into place. Raise the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by turning them clockwise. Reattach the damper arm and secure it with the pin. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.